Israeli fighter jets strike Gaza residential building amid escalating tensions. In a recent development, Israeli fighter jets carried out a bombing operation on a high-rise residential building located in Gaza City, causing the displacement of its residents. The building, commonly referred to as Palestine Tower, boasts approximately 100 apartments, as reported by Palestinian officials. The Israeli airstrike was captured live on Al Jazeera, further intensifying the situation in the region. It's worth noting that previous Israeli airstrikes on residential towers have garnered strong responses from Palestinians, who vehemently urge Israel to refrain from targeting civilian structures. Abu Baida, the military spokesman of the Al-Qassam Brigades, has issued a warning, stating that Tel Aviv should prepare for a potentially significant retaliation in response to the attack on the building. Meanwhile, Israeli air forces have claimed responsibility for striking two military structures within Gaza, although the exact locations were not disclosed. These events come amid escalating tensions in the region, and we will continue to monitor the situation closely for further developments.